bloody good caper. So yeah, we're in Iceland. We got this. Me and my selfie stick. This is insane. So yeah, Iceland's a windy place. You'll be hearing a lot of wind in this video, and probably the rest of my Icelandic videos. Look how huge the waves are getting. They're huge! Blacker than black. That is blacker than black. It's freezing, but I'm just surprised that, you know how no one's really in this bit and everyone's around there. I thought this would be the more fascinating bit.
It's a flipping cave and they're taking pictures of it.
Because the rock formation here is just natural. That's the picture. Look. That's the picture. You're on your home shoe right here.
I've got the second one in as well.
So again, when you go to Iceland, make sure you're staying safe on the beach, making sure you're wrapped up warm, and definitely not diving into the sea with those kind of waves. Take care everyone. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.